Hello, Professor. This is Vivian Lavine. I'm in your CHAD 30 Human Development class. I am a first year health science major, and today, for my final assessment, I will be presenting on the theories of aging. Introduction. We all age and die. This is a fact that most of us are aware of. Although some people may be in denial of aging, it still occurs. There are many theories of how we age, including psychosocial theories such as activity theory and disengagement theory, and biological theories such as programmed longevity and endocrine theory. I chose this topic because it is one I am uneasy with. I do not fear aging, nor do I necessarily fear death, but I am unable to think or talk about it for too long without panicking, simply because I don't want to die. I wish that I truly could live forever with the person that I love, and I do not enjoy discussing my own death. However, I am okay with the topic of death, just don't like thinking about my own too much. Aging is something I find to be intriguing. How we develop as we grow, both physically and mentally, and how some people simply do not age, while others age rapidly. For example, my mother will be turning 60 this coming March, yet she does not appear to be older than 45 to 50 at most. While most 60-year-olds, when I was younger at least, were considered very, very old by young children, myself, and the media, especially in TV shows and movies. I do want to say that I will not be touching on the psychosocial theories of aging in this presentation. Unfortunately, there was just a lack of information compared to the biological theories, and so I chose to focus on the biological theories more. Biological theories of aging, the damage and error theories. First, we have the wear and tear theory. The wear and tear theory compares our bodies to machines as they work similarly. Machines tend to wear and tear the older they get, usually falling apart or having issues, such as old cars needing new engines, or, in my case, my washing machine that I've had my entire life that falls apart every single month. This theory, originally developed by German biologist Dr. August Weismann, states that our body's cells and tissues carry vital parts similar to a car, and its vital part being the engine, that wear out due to repeated use, resulting in aging and later dying. The next theory we have is the cross-linking theory. This theory was developed by Johann Bordstein in 1942. The cross-linking theory proposes the idea that proteins that are cross-linked have the ability to damage cells and tissues, which can result in decreasing the rate at which bodily processes will occur. Some examples of this could be decreasing of bodily processes that may cause healing, or possible damage to the immune system, resulting in infections or diseases easily attacking the body. The next theory we have is the free radical theory. The free radical theory is a theory originally introduced by Dr. Gershman, but adapted by Dr. Denham Harman. This theory proposes the idea that free radicals cause damage to specifically the macromolecular components of the body's cells. A free radical is essentially an uncharged molecule, which tends to be highly reactive and, according to the theory, causes damages that accumulate over time, resulting in organs and the body systems to fail. Although the macromolecules tend to be very vulnerable when attacked, the body carries enzymes that prevent cellular death. Those enzymes eventually die off or fail, which is how this works. Next, we have the biological theories of aging, specifically the program theories, and the three subparts of the program theory. Programmed sentience theory. This theory is a subpart of the program theory that interprets the cause of aging as a certain genes being turned on and off in sequential order. A result of this theory could be the acceleration of the speed at which diseases spread, ultimately causing death to come at a quicker rate or in general. The next theory we have is the endocrine theory. This theory is a subpart of the program theory that states that biological clocks are determined through hormones in control of the pace at which we age. Aging has been proven to be determined through hormonal regulation. An example of endocrine aging would be a hormone being produced less and less as you age, such as estrogen decreasing as women age and go through menopause, causing women to have to take estrogen supplements occasionally. The final theory that we have is the immunological theory. This theory is a subpart of the program theory and states that the immune system is essentially programmed to work for a specific amount of time. Think of it similarly to the wear and tear theory. If the immune system were a car, its productivity and success would slowly decline over time until eventually the car would not work. Similar to my washing machine. As the immune system declines and individuals grow older, their built-up antibodies to infections, viruses, etc., will begin to fail and die off, which can cause elderly individuals to be more susceptible to infections and other things. Conclusion. There are many different theories of aging. And I am not trying to discredit other theories by not focusing on them. I simply chose the ones for which provided the most information. After researching the theories, even within our textbook, I came to the conclusion that not much has been done regarding the research of why or how we age. We simply know that we age, and certain parts of it, such as gaining wrinkles and losing hearing, but the theories for which are presented do not provide much follow-up information. I would attribute this to being that society and science has either not been interested in this information or does not yet acquire the tools to further investigate. Personally, I am curious as to whether there will be a development that causes us to stop aging or even reverse aging, not through plastic surgery or a healthy diet. I just want to see if they'll create something that prevents me from dying or aging or something like that. Because I think it'd be interesting. And then my references. So for my information, as I previously mentioned, I could not find enough information in the textbook, besides about 3 theories. And I have used it as a source for other scientific research projects, but the source that I used was the National Institute of Health and specifically the National Library of Medicine, and I linked it right here. Okay, thank you. Also, I hope you enjoyed my presentation. One thing I wanted to add is that I did incorporate a couple things that I talked about in my final concept map, which the colors I used were different shades of green, which I feel connect to nature. And my beginning had leaves and growth because I feel that, as I mentioned in my final concept map portfolio, aging is very similar to nature, and I love nature and love the idea of growth. So, yeah, thank you.